Good day, Jeffrey Friedman, Senior Market Strategist, RJO Futures. My comments on stock index futures, October 10th. I always give you the word of the day. My word of the day today is, well, it could be many things, but my word is going to be pivot. And what does that really mean? We're on the cup. Are we in a correction or not? Will we have a meaningful correction or not? This is the third week of a down week, and we've had extreme volatility. A lot of technicians always say a lot of volatility means a change of trend or direction, and we've seen plenty of that. Now, we're still better on the year, and we're on the fifth year of a bull market, and we're still positive for the year. But we have pulled back probably 4% from the high. We were up 8% for the year. We're still probably 3 or 4% better for the year, and we're in the third quarter. Now, what's driving the market that we might be changing direction short term? Not long term, but short term. Short term, we are sideways to down. Medium to long term, we are still in a bull market, and we are nowhere near a 10 or 15 or 20% correction yet. Now, have said that, the things that are driving the market, in my opinion, would be global slowdown. China is having a little problem, and their central banks are trying to stimulate China's economy. Japan is doing the same thing. Europe is definitely chit-chat about recession, and they're going to do whatever it takes. They're going to start a buying program. We're ending our bond buying program. The minutes from the FOMC have indicated that possibly they're concerned about the strength of the dollar. The dollar could be hurting inflation or the lack thereof. And with that in mind, we've had some pullback. Some people are taking some profits off the table. The real question is, how severe will this pullback be? Let's take a look at some of the technicals very quickly so that you can find out where you want to get in or get out, get short or get long. Now, right now we're around 1925. For 2 weeks, I've been saying that's kind of a stronghold, a close underneath it, and yesterday was right there within 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points, but have said that we need a clear direction. Today's Friday, so that would be a good indication. If we can close under, and I'm going to move it down just a little bit because we did break that threshold, 1920, a close under 1920 would be fairly bearish short term, and we would not have that volatile bounce back up, in my opinion. Now, I could always be wrong, but circle that number. If we do that, I think your next stair step down would be 1895, and of course, my target would be 1865. So put a circle around that number. On the way up, where would I change my mind? I need to close over 1950 2 days in a row or for the week. And if we can get that, then of course I think that your next resistance would be 1975, and then again 2000 even, all pivoting around the December S&P future contract, which is the largest volume stock index future. Good luck and good trade. Futures and options on futures may involve substantial risk and may not be suitable for all investors.